Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Day 7 I believe in Toronto, Canada. We're actually leaving Toronto, Canada today. We're heading to Calgary, Canada, and we're going to be there for I think a total of 7 nights, so that should be nice. Right now we're just packing up, I think we need to check out in less than an hour, so we don't have a long time. And then we need to pretty much get fuel, head to the airport, drop the car back, and then, yeah, get on a 4-hour flight to Calgary. So, let's do it. All packed and ready to go. Goodbye room. So we're just filling the tank up with fuel before we take the car back to the airport. Oh, it's cold. Okay, so just filled the tank up, and believe it or not, the tank on this SUV is actually pretty small. Like, I filled it up, it was, you know, virtually empty, and it only put like 45 litres in or so, which I guess it only has like a 50-litre tank, which is very, very small for an SUV. But yeah, if you are wondering sort of what the fuel prices are like in Canada at the moment, bear in mind oil prices are sort of through the roof. It's still a lot cheaper compared to the UK. So I paid like $1.67 for a litre of regular petrol gasoline, I think, which is roughly around £1. So it's like near on half the price of the UK. So yeah, really can't complain on that front. But if you're actually wondering how you how you go ahead and buy fuel, is slightly different to the UK. So most garages will actually ask you to prepay. I don't know if you can do that there and then on the pump. I didn't try. It was just easier for me to just go into the fuel station, say, look, this is what pump I'm on, I want to prepay $100, and then whatever you don't use, it get paid back onto your account essentially. So if I, prepaid $100, but the fuel was only $45, I'd get $55 refunded to me essentially. So yeah, that's just how it works if you didn't already know. Let's go to the airport now. So we're at the airport, about to board now.
About turbulence, please fasten your seatbelt to nothing.
Okay then guys, so if you are wondering why the hell I'm stood in a Walmart parking lot, that is because of course we have arrived in Calgary now. We've actually picked up the rental car, which is this Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a nice bit of kit, to be honest. It's a proper 4x4. It's not a made to look like SUV that's actually just a front wheel drive thing. We'll pop the hood. So so you can see the engine. As you can see, it is a V6 lump, a big V6 lump. Drives quite well. And yeah, it's a decent bit of kit, to be honest. Should do us quite well. Let's have a look inside real quick. Yeah, top quality, top notch inside. Everything you need. Sorted. And the strange thing is, it's not actually that cold here. Like, I thought it was going to be even colder, but today it's actually like 15 or 16 degrees, which is, you know, pretty welcome, because it was like -5 back in Toronto. But I don't think it's going to stay like this. I'm pretty sure later on in the week it's going to get down to like -5 or -10. So we are going to try and make the most of it today. It will be getting dark in a couple of hours, but we are going to head to the accommodation. I don't really know if it's a hotel or an apartment or what, but I think we have our own cooking facility. So hopefully we're going to try and make us a nice dinner tonight. And yeah, like I said, make the most of this nice weather. But yeah, let's go into Walmart now. Okay, so shop for the week done. Now, we was planning on heading back to, or heading to the accommodation, like I said, and then possibly grilling outside on the barbecue, but it's past 7 p.m. now. It's over an hour to get to the accommodation, so I think it's going to be too late. So I think we're going to go get some dinner right now, because I'm very, very hungry. I've hardly eaten today. We've had a 4-hour flight, so I think it's only the right decision to go and get some food now. Don't worry guys, just responding to your comments right now, just trying to get a Wi-Fi signal.
You're not really small on this camera.
I'm really small.
No, like...
Only 5 foot.
No, like...
Is it me, or does it kind of seem like we're heading into a storm? Do you think that? It looks like we're heading into a big storm, but I think it's just we're leaving, you know, we're sort of heading, well, we're heading east, then we're heading east, yeah. No, we're heading west, so we're heading kind of towards the light. But yeah, darkness will be upon us pretty soon. I think it is nearly 8:30, and to be honest, I'm surprised it's this light at this time, to be fair. But yeah, we went to IHOP anyway. I'm absolutely stuffed now. I don't think I'm going to be eating another thing today. But we're just going to get to the hotel, apartment, whatever it is. I still don't know yet. What the hell is that car doing?
What did it do? Stopped there?
Yeah, it literally, I'm guessing he wanted to get off, but he stayed on. So he just like stopped in the central reservation and then reversed back.
On a 100-kilometre road.
But anyway, yeah, so we're heading to the accommodation, gonna get all the food in, and then I think we're just gonna sit down for the night and plan the rest of the trip. We have like a good 7 days here. So yeah, anything that needs to get booked, we're going to try and book, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so obviously we're just on the highway at the moment. It's pretty much just a straight road all the way to the accommodation. It's called Trans-Canada Highway, I believe, and I appreciate it's pretty dark, but like right in front of us there is what looks to be huge mountains, and I'm pretty sure that is the Canadian Rockies. And you know, if it was daytime, if you could actually see, then that would be a pretty spectacular sight, I'm sure. So you know, when we come down here in the day, it's going to look so nice. Okay then guys, so we are actually in the accommodation now, and to begin with I wasn't really sure kind of what it was, but I guess it's kind of like a hotel, kind of like an apartment, kind of like this complex thing. It's called Copperstone Resorts, and it's near a place called Canmore, which is obviously in Alberta. So yeah, I don't know if it's like a popular place or what, but it seems quite nice here. I'll show you around the apartment slash room real quick. So this is the living area, you could say. This is the kitchen. We have a proper kitchen, sink, you know, proper oven, microwave, huge fridge, freezer. We even have like dryer, washer, dishwasher, everything you could possibly need. Like a spare bedroom here, bunk bed in there, not that we're going to use it. Just coming down here, big decent bathroom, very nice, and obviously a double bedroom with more than enough space. So yeah, this should do the job quite nicely. But yeah, I think we are going to be going to bed soon because I'm very tired. Again, it's been another long day. It's like 12 o'clock now, midnight, which would be around 2 AM Toronto time. So yeah, been a long one. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it anyway. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in that next one. Peace.